Hi, Sir Archie.
Hi, grabe naman yung sir. Pero, hi!
Yes, for
nice
the vlog. Ayan. First of all, I love your look. Grabe.
Oh, thank you so
How did
much.
you prepare for that look specific for this one?
No, not really. As in talagang kasi I just went from the 17th concert yesterday. Oo, so parang kanina sabi, ano yung mabilis na fit na lang. So ito lang, basic look lang.
Wow.
You're never gonna go wrong with black. Tapos ito.
Diba? So classy. Grabe.
Thank you so much.
Ayan. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa MediaCon ng upcoming, diba?
Be
Be
the
the
Next.
Next sa TV5.
Yeah.
How does it feel na na-meet natin ang mga ano ko kayo na? Yung mga, sina Sundara,
Yeah.
yan, yung mga mentors.
Alam mo, talagang parang, aside from the show itself, talagang for me, I saw this opportunity. Finally, makikita ko si Dara. Talagang, fan ako ni Dara. I'm not a super die-hard fan, but like, girl, sino ba namang Pilipino hindi in love with Dara? But yun, I'm so happy din na makakita ng iba't ibang mga mentors here, and si Yedam, si Wojin, and all of them actually. So yeah.
Tapos yung mga 75 na
Oo.
magiging 9 eventually, no? Nakita na natin sila.
Yeah, so parang, uy, may mga prospects. Parang sabi ko, ay, parang ito, parang for me, ito yung magiging bias ko, or parang I will root for this person. But aside from the looks kasi, syempre nakita lang natin sila kanina, and then we're just parang judging them based on their visuals. But like, more of dapat tingnan natin kung ano yung characteristics nila or parang skills nila when it comes to performing.
Ayan, does this mean na yung P-pop talaga is rising na, di ba? And how does it feel na you're a fan of, di ba, K-pop and then P-pop?
Yeah.
Grabe.
Siyempre parang as a Filipino myself and as a K-pop fan, maganda na finally nagkakaroon ng recognition ang mga Filipino talents, and dapat talaga kung sino supportahan nga natin yung mga ibang lahi, what more yung mga sarili natin. So yeah, I'm so much happy and very very happy na may ganitong opportunity again for Filipino talents.
And speaking of yung mga Filipino talents na sinusuportahan natin, are you a fan of SB19?
Yeah, super fan. Like parang ate sila talaga. They walk to make everyone walk.
Diba?
They run pala, they run.
They run, tama, diba?
Whatever. Basta yun yung kasabihan.
Yan. Kailan ka naging fan ng SB19?
SB19?
Kailan ka naging
18, anong era ba to? Siguro Gento talaga yung pinaka-intense.
Pagtatag, yes.
Oo, pagtatag era. But like, before pa mga trainee days pa lang nila, I'm rooting for them. Parang nakita ko, parang may potential. Kasi sila yung kauna-unahang not really kauna-unahan, but like, may Accelerate kasi dati. Alam mo ba yun?
2010 yun, Pop Girls, diba?
So parang may mga ganong era pa. But like, sila talaga yung parang medyo tumagal at nag-build talaga ng sarili nila.
Yes,
out
established.
Of scratch. Sila yung talagang established na. So,
ayan. May interaction ka na ba with them?
yeah, I actually worked with them for a certain brand. So, yeah.
How does it feel? Kamusta sila?
Masaya. Kung ano sila in person and ano sila sa online, ganun din sila in person. So, kaya siguro nakakapag-connect yung mga fans with them is because they're very genuine. And yun nga, kung ano yung what you see is what you get. And very, very talented talaga.
When you saw them perform, grabe, feel mo ba na parang hopefully they can go higher and then they can go
for sure.
places?
Para makikita mo talaga, ay, gigil silang maging successful.
Tama.
So,
and then live vocals.
live vocals and yung dance test talaga nila. Nakita ko yung last time yung nag-tour sila. Tapos after ng tour nila, mayroon kaming hosting for the brand. Tapos naging guest, nag-perform sila. Sabi ko, buti na kaya pa nila. But yun nga, bilang professionals, magagaling.
Diba? Tanong ng mga 18 siguro kung sino ang bias mo.
Siyempre,
alam na ba nila?
Oh, for sure, alam ng mga ano yan. I'm from the farm. Ako po ay kay Stel.
Bakit mo siya naging bias?
Wala, siguro parehas kami extrovert. So parang nagva-vibe. And pag nakikita ko siya, parang, oh yeah, ito yung ano ko. Ito yung kasing energy ko. But I love them all. Kasi iba-iba naman yung characteristics nila. Iba-iba yung kaya nila i-offer to the table.
Ayan, this year, no, magiging abala sila by group kasi gagawin na nalang upcoming album nila simula at wakas. Anong message mo sa kanila if ever they're going to?
So for sure, ang message ko lang sa SB19, just keep on being the Filipino pride. Iwagayway ang bandera ng Pilipinas. And at the same time, for sure marami nag-aabang sa pagbabalik ninyo, yung sa comeback ninyo. So I'm also waiting for that. So fighting lang. Fighting. And so talaga, mag-trend ulit siya. Kasi, oy!
Iba.
Diba? Well, SB19 na yun eh. Ano pa ba naman ang ini-expect natin? Yun lang.
Thank you!
Philippine Concerts.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Danica from Philippine Concerts. So my question is for everyone. So, as mentors for Be the Next 9 Dreamers, what kind of mentor do you wish for the dreamers to regard you as?
이 질문은 모든 멘토들을 위한 질문입니다. 비더넥스트의 멘토로 이제 오셨는데 연습생들에게 어떠한 멘토로 기억이 되고 싶나요?
네, 안녕하세요. 저는 지금 먼저 와서 친구들을 지금 트레이닝을 먼저 좀 시키고 있는데요. 저는 좀 친구들에게 조금 같이 조금 무섭지만 좀 친구 같은 그런 멘토로 좀 남고 싶지 않나 생각하고 있습니다.
Well, as for me, I actually came here and I was training them beforehand. So for me, I would like them to remember me as somewhat scary, but also a mentor who's like a friend.
And for me, I think because I am with a panel that is very much veterans nasa industry, I want to be the one to kind of like represent them in a way and relate to them. Kasi as being as a young artist myself and just like nearly 2 years ago, trainee lang din like them. I want to empathize with them as well, but still be strict and try to apply what I applied during my journey to being an artist.
네, 저도 물론 제가 뭔가 도움을 줄 수 있는 부분에서 최대한 많이 도움을 주는 그런 멘토가 되고 싶고요. 또 그것보다 뭐 노래나 춤이나 퍼포먼스가 아니더라도 또 다양한 부분으로 제가 뭔가 도움이 될 수 있는 부분들에 도움을 주고 싶습니다. 지금 따뜻한 사람으로 기억되고 싶습니다.
So I would like to help them in their dancing and singing, but not only in those skills, but I would also like to be remembered as a warm mentor who helps them in other various areas, not only focus on skills.
네, 저는 이 프로그램이든 인생에서든 그런 성공을 거두었을 때 제가 했던 그런 도움들을 좀 떠올릴 수 있는 그런 멘토가 되고 싶습니다.
I would like to be a mentor who the trainees will remember when they would be not only like in here, but then when they experience success in their lives as well. I would like to be remembered in that moment.
저는 누구나 시작하는 순간에 자신을 알아봐주기만 해도 힘이 된다고 생각이 드는데 그래서 그런 마음을 열정이나 가능성 같은 거를 한 번이라도 돌아봐 줄 수 있는 그런 멘토가 되고 싶어요.
For me, I know how important it is to have someone who would recognize you even at the very early stage. So I would like to be a mentor who would be able to recognize their talents and what they have within them, even at an early stage.
네, 안녕하세요. 프로듀서 불사입니다. 이번 프로그램에 음악 프로듀서로 온 만큼 참가자들과 함께 좋은 음악 같이 만들어주는, 그래서 필리핀을 넘어서 세계적인 음악이 선보일 수 있는 그런 멘토가 되도록 하겠습니다.
Hello, I am producer Blueside, and as I am here to produce music, I would like to be a mentor who would help them in like producing music that will not only stop here in the Philippines, but to also spread all over the world.
Thank you very much. Our mentors, not only mentors, but I think there will be lifelong friendships that will come out of this show as well. Looking forward to that. Before we move on to our next question, we'd like to acknowledge the present.